right, have y'all ever wanted to know how to make Cool Whip instead of going to the store and buying that tub of Cool Whip that we really don't know what it's fully made out of? Making your homemade whipped cream is not that difficult. All you're gonna need is some heavy whipping cream, not half and half, but the heavy whipping cream. You're gonna need some vanilla and then some sugar. All right, so I'm gonna measure about a cup of heavy whipping cream. I don't have my glasses on. Then I'm going to pour it in my KitchenAid mixer. You could also use a hand mixer too. And to that I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. And then just a splash of vanilla. Vanilla is something I never measure. And then you're just going to turn your mixer on and let it go. Don't walk away from it, because if you let it go too long, you're going to end up with butter. So you're going to let it mix until it starts looking like Cool Whip. Oh yeah. So I ran my KitchenAid on 4 for about 5 minutes. And we'll see how much it made. I think that's pretty equivalent to a tub of Cool Whip. There's something better to get it out with, but see, homemade Cool Whip, and I promise it tastes so much better than the store-bought. Yes, I'm going to show y'all how to make a Kool-Aid pie. You're going to need a mixing bowl. And I went ahead and I made some homemade Cool Whip, but this is about enough of just those 8-ounce tubs of Cool Whip. So you're going to put that in your mixing bowl. All right, and then you're going to need 1 can of Eagle brand milk. Okay, and then you're just going to need to add a packet of Kool-Aid. You can use whatever flavor you want to, but we like the lemonade the best. And then you mix all that up. Already smells good. Okay, I think that's good and mixed. Then you're going to take a pie shell, and this is a graham cracker crust pie shell. And then you're just going to dump your mixture into the pie shell. Y'all, this is so easy, and it tastes delicious. Kind of even it out. All right, then you're gonna put your lid back on pie shell. Make sure you close it up, that way nothing falls out. All right, then you're gonna put this in the freezer for about 2 hours or until it's set. So we will see y'all then. Okay, it's been about 2 hours, so I'm sure it is set. Looks like it is. very gently. And the longer it's in the freezer, the more it will set. Okay. Don't that look good? Very good. And like I said, you can use any flavor that you want to. We tried like the pink lemonade. Once we've done the blue raspberry. All of them have been good. So if you want to try this, especially for an easy summer recipe, just give it a try and tell me what you think. And thank y'all for watching, and hope y'all like and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Bye.